Today we are choosing a recipe from one of Jamie Oliver's books. That looks good. I'm trying to make this tomato soup. Let's see how it turns out.
First, quarter 2 kilograms of tomatoes into a pan. Then add 1 chopped big carrot on top. In the original recipe, it says to put everything in a blender or liquidizer until smooth. I don't have a big blender, so I'm planning to cook them until they're soft enough, then use a hand blender, which is more practical for me. 3 garlic cloves and a handful of basil go into the pan as well. Now we add some salt and black pepper. We don't add any water. The tomatoes will release enough juice. Put the lid on, but leave it slightly open. Boil it on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we prepare the cheesy breads. Cut the bread slices into little finger-sized pieces and put them in an oven tray or air fryer basket. Add some thyme, could be fresh or dried. Then add a handful of grated cheddar on top. Then drizzle a bit of Worcestershire sauce. If you can't find Worcestershire sauce, just use soy sauce and a splash of vinegar. It works really well. And pour some olive oil more generously. You can put them in a preheated oven for 15 minutes or in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Let's check our soup. First, I check if the carrots are soft enough for the hand blender. Yes, it's ready to blend. We blend it until smooth.
This smells so comfort, so cozy, so warm and really easy to make.
We add some olive oil and a splash of white wine vinegar. After I check the taste, I add more salt and black pepper. I close the lid and cook it for another 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. And finally, I add 6 tablespoons of single cream. Oh my God, this smells and looks so fresh and delicious. Look at this consistency. I'm really looking forward to trying it. Let's serve it up. Here we go. By the way, our cheesy bread is ready. It smells amazing. Let's garnish the soup. I'm adding some of the bread and a few fresh basil leaves on top and finishing with a bit of cream. It's ready. Look at this. It looks amazing, so appetizing and so fresh. It is light, comforting and homemade.
Let me try some for you. Creamy, fresh and full of flavor. And this cheesy bread, oh, so good. Let me know if you give it a try. You should though. See you next time. Happy cooking.
If you would like to see me again, please subscribe. Give the video a like and say hello in the comments. Also, please let me know where you are watching from. Thanks for watching.